To work in the round, first of all, you need a center ring, into which the first round of stitches are worked into. To begin making your first chain, there are many ways to do this. But for this example, we are first making a chain of 4 stitches. Next, slip stitch into the first chain you made to create a centered ring. We are creating treble stitches again, so next up we make a chain of 3 for the turning chain. The stitches are then worked directly into the center ring. Not into the actual chain stitches themselves, as we many more stitches into the ring, without leaving a large hole in the center.